Hey YouTube, let's play this song by Bakar, Small Town Girl. Here's the easiest way to play it. What do you? I'll give you everything. Okay, so that is F major 7 in the open position, and then C major 7 in the open position. So both those are pretty easy to finger. Probably the hardest part of this is you got to bar the. This is a A minor 7. I'm gonna play strings 4 through 1. But if you're having trouble, try to use the side of your finger where it's more bony. You know. That's the only 4 chords in the song. Yeah, probably the hardest thing will be to mute it because you're using open chords. You're gonna have to keep your hand right in the strings and just work on it. Here's like how I think it's being played on the recording. I think they're playing it like this. So I'm playing the F major 7 like this. Strings 4 through 1. And then play the C major 7 like this. And then we're going to play the A minor 7, G minor 7, the same way. Side of our finger. Strings 1 through 4. Now you could do a hybrid. You could play the F like this. Those are just some ideas. It's a good song to dabble in these jazz chords or R&B chords. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.